Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Charger key fob. This guide will help you understand the two main approaches, programming it yourself or seeking professional assistance. You'll need a new, unprogrammed key fob that is specifically designed for your Charger model. We'll walk through the steps for each method, ensuring you can get your new fob working correctly and securely. Let's dive in. If you have at least one working key fob, you can often program a new one yourself. Begin by inserting your existing, working key into the ignition and turning it to the on position without starting the engine. Then, follow a precise sequence of turning the ignition and pressing buttons on the new fob. This entire process usually takes only a few minutes, saving you time and money. When you've lost all your working key fobs, professional programming becomes the only option. Both Dodge dealerships and certified automotive locksmiths possess the specialized equipment and expertise needed. They can program a new key fob to your Charger's security system, ensuring it functions perfectly and maintains your vehicle's security. This service typically takes about 30 minutes to an hour. After successfully replacing your key fob, it's wise to keep a few things in mind. Always aim to have at least two working key fobs on hand. It's a great backup. Thoroughly test all buttons and functions of your new fob to ensure everything works correctly. Remember, replacing a battery is much simpler than programming a whole new fob. Always refer to your Charger's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.